feeling good this morning with some feed in their bellies. We just got done feeding them. And now we're going on an adventure, huh? What'd you find, Olivia? Big rock?
Okay, so some Pokeballs.
Some Pokeballs. Whoa, that was a big rock. What'd you find, Olivia? Whoa, look at all those Pokeballs. Let's take them to the creek and see if they float. Yeah, we can see if he floats.
Or he could float. He could float. Ants could float on here. Ants can float on here.
Two Pokeballs?
Two.
I think you have 3 Pokeballs.
Oh. Yeah. A lot of ants can.
A lot of ants can float on him?
Yeah. I know. It's just a sign in the nature. I found a bunch of porcupines. Mommy, that's like a belt. Oh, there's a jump. We should make a second to jump up that.
Jump up that? Look at all of them. They're everywhere.
Oh no.
I'm going to get Mason with a Pokeball. Ah! Attack!
Owie. Ow, that's the cookie.
All right, let's keep going. You put them in your shirt?
Yeah. Your shoes.
Let me help you. Is it poking your belly?
Yeah.
Look at all your Pokeballs.
Here.
All right, let's go. Let me see them.
Yeah, more.
Holy cow. Ah!
No. You're not.
Finding a whole bunch of them.
Oh.
Let's keep going.
I don't know why I put my stick, so I let them.
Okay, I'm sure we'll find more.
Oh, I want to try to look at the spot.
All right.
Nothing. Oh, there's a green light. Oh my goodness.
Look how big that tree is.
Yeah, look at it. It's raw.
Look at those roots.
Look how high he is.
He does go super high.
We better get away from him. He wrote all that.
Look what I see down there.
What?
Look at all those beautiful flowers.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness, that was a big. And this stick.
Look how beautiful.
Oh, Briar!
Briars, watch out. You stuck?
Yeah.
Got caught on your pants. Ugh. Oh, you got some behind you. All right, big step, go. Look at all those Pokeballs.
No!
Say no thank you.
Thank you.
Let's find us some beautiful flowers.
I found all right in the branch.
They smell so delicious.
Yeah, Maya, we should pick all. We should find them and take them home.
You gonna smell some of them?
Wow! We should take them home with us.
Take a few home with us?
Yeah. I'll just sit on this spot. Yeah.
We're almost to the creek.
This one. Nice, that's some more.
Those are beautiful. Do you want me to hold them for you?
Oh no.
You got them?
Yeah. Oh, Mommy.
You know?
Yeah.
Bunch of cow tracks.
There's flowers.
Come look over here. Look at all these cow tracks. And I think if we follow the cow tracks, it will lead us to the creek.
They already have creek.
We made it.
A barn.
And we found a barn.
Yay. Wow, I think I want to see. Not deep, Mommy. I never see.
Look how it's coming out of the ground.
Oh, there's a cave.
It's called a spring.
Whoa, there's a tiny hole that comes out. There's a Pokemon in there.
There's a Pokeball in there.
Yeah. Oh, I got a Pokemon up there.
Oh, yeah. Are we going to see if he floats?
Yeah, let me
All
show.
right.
Let
We'll
me
put him in a deep spot, see if he floats.
Oh,
I think Olivia's about to take a swim.
floats.
He does float, yep. And your flowers float.
Okay. So come here. I'm gonna give this flower away.
Do they float?
Mommy, there's a tree.
Wow.
Oh, there's a tree, Mama. There's a
Oh,
tree.
yeah.
What the? Whoa! I wanted him to go away. I don't want. I just want
He
to.
got stuck.
I just know that he's going to get. He's going. He's going. He's going.
Whoa, Livy. You're going to fall in.
Mommy, I think.
Olivia, did you get so wet?
Yeah.
Did it go in your ear?
Mommy,
Oh my goodness.
it's
On your shirt?
Dad.
On your pants?
Dad.
You made it.
You did try.
Me try? Your turn? All right.
So I have to jump off right where I do it.
Oh, good jump. Keep walking, keep walking. Don't jump yet. Keep walking. Oh, you want to do a big jump?
Yeah.
All right.
That's far.
Don't fall.
Okay.
Ready, go. Ah, you did it. Mommy's turn?
Yeah.
All right. Let Mommy try it. Whoa, it's cracking. Ah!
That's little kids. We have to watch it.
Wow.
I was slipping, so I jumped.
Good.
Yeah.
Very nice. You want to try it?
Yeah. You have to spread your legs and jump over it. Okay. Okay. You.
Wow, you did it.
Emma.
All right, we got to go find where Bubba is.